What's up, y'all? It's 9:30. New York session is here. Just got off my shift from work. Feels nice to be home. We're finally gonna go to the gym and finally have a pull day. I haven't had a pull day in forever. Didn't do a push day yesterday. So yeah, and then, of course, as the regular schedule, we're gonna be on the treadmill right after. But right now, we focus on trading. Oh, alright. That was a long day, bro. Long day. So much people have been saying hi to me, though, lately. I don't know. They probably see the waves. They're like, damn. They're like, there. Alright, we locked it. Alright, so gold. I was looking at this in the Uber. Gold's in a downtrend. New York didn't really do anything. I see barely any momentum. So that's interesting. But we have a high probability gap that did get tapped on the 5-minute. In this uptrend, looking at the 15-minute, it's in a downtrend as well. Alright, so letting it do its thing. Any support zones? No, not really. Actually, this is a support zone right here. A little bit. Alright, looking at NAS. With NAS, we're looking in a downtrend as well. We're looking in a downtrend. I see no gaps in the market. Let me check the 15-minute. The 15-minute gave us a 13 EMA breakout for sales. It does have a gap on the 15-minute, high probability gap on the 15-minute. This potentially could be a nice setup I could get into. It's rejecting the 13. That might be cool. So I'll probably think about that. And then Dirty 30 seems like it's mirroring NAS. Has a high probability gap on the 5-minute though, so that's the difference than NAS. Downtrend. Then on the 13. On the 15-minute, there's a breakout downtrend, and it seems like it's rejecting. It's rejecting around the 13. So, curious to see what will happen. Do I feel like I want to get in based off the 13? Based off NAS or based off US 30? What looks the best? US 30 definitely looks the worst. But it also looks the best. It's at the 200, but it's currently wicking the 200. So I could reject the 200 and continue to dump. NAS, on the other hand, we're going towards the 200. So, yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot to take into consideration. But right now, we don't have anything that we're really looking for. I wish gold, gave something. It's just selling, just to sell. But didn't give a setup, so I'm quit yapping. I'm paused. We're gonna resume once I see a setup down. I'm super tired, if you guys couldn't tell already. Alright, so I'm in this NAS setup, and I have to manually put all these TPs and stop loss together. So give me a second, and then I'm gonna walk through the trade. I kind of got aggressive on these setups, so that's good. Then I aimed for 700. It's all good though. Actually perfect. Take a bigger win than a loss. Alright, this setup's kind of risky though, but I'm gonna walk through what this is. Alright, so I got in the NAS 15-minute 13 EMA breakout. It is looking pretty rough right now, but I pulled the trigger. You're scared or you're gonna get in, and I got it. There is a high probability supply zone, so that's something to be mindful of. I may adjust stop loss there and then have TP, more under. But yeah, I liked it. 13 AMA, break on to 15. I liked it. It rejected 50, but I lost a lot of time when I was backtesting. When it has any type of motion around the 50, I lose. So if I do happen to lose today, that is something that I know I should avoid. Avoid like any wicks at the 50. Avoid setups like those. But yeah, I chose to get in, and yeah, it's under all the EMAs except the 13. It's currently at the 13, so I'm just waiting for the market to correct, and then hopefully it goes in my favor. If not, it doesn't. Low-key, I might shower because I didn't get to the gym, so I might shower and then head to the gym. So I'm gonna continue adjusting my stop losses and stuff. If I somehow lose within that time span or win within that time span, I'll resume. If not, I'm most likely going to just resume after I shower. So, yeah. Alright, so we ended up taking an L. It went pretty quick. So we're going to go ahead and lock out for the day. Took a 500 loss. Yeah, we took a 500 loss on the challenges. We're going to go ahead and lock out. 600 loss on one account. So we're 500 from losing one account, 500 from losing another. This account we lost 48, so we're still up a good amount. This account we lost 600, so now we're 800 away from losing this account. This account we're down 52, so we're now 177 from losing this account. So, yeah, losing day to start our Monday. We'll move on. Yeah, it was interesting. That was something to be mindful of. That 15-minute setup zone, but it's all good. I was honestly trying to adjust it, but it looks like it was gonna wick that anyways, so it's all good. Go ahead and send this setup to the group chat. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I don't feel like going to the gym. I low-key want to just rest, especially after that loss. I'm debating. But yeah, that's what happened. Let me go ahead and mark this up. What did I just do? Okay. Yeah. We're taking this. I'm so exhausted, dog. So exhausted, bro. If I didn't mention it, I'm so exhausted, bro. What else I had to do? P&L. So let's see what we did. 48.74. I'm probably gonna go back to copying the two challenges that are down bad. 52.24. And plus 614.42. All right, so we took a 7.
Market is open.
What? The fuck? Y'all seen that? What the heck? 715.40 loss. Alright, so we're still. Oh, wait, they hit my ad with an ad, bro. So we're still up on the month. We're up 300. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, 715 loss today. Not that good. We move on. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm off. I'll be able to not be so tired. And honestly, just reflecting on it, I probably shouldn't have took the setup. Yes, I did. You know, blah blah blah. But sometimes I gotta walk away, man. Like, it wasn't crisp to the point where I'm like, okay, I like this setup. I'm gonna take it. It's like, it's an okay setup, and I just took it. You feel me? And we gotta be really cautious. NFP week, bro. We gotta be really, really cautious, man. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and copy it right now, so I don't forget. So we're gonna copy trade this. Okay. No, I'm gonna copy trade the second account since that's more down bad. Clear. Copy trade account 2, and now we're gonna go with. I can't go with 1. What? Oh, Dad won't let me. So you swear, bro. Copy trade 1. Yeah, won't let me. Damn. Okay, my bad. I just gotta thug it out then. Oh yeah. I guess I'll just do the challenges. Make sure the challenge. Damn, I can't even do the challenges? The account is currently locked out. Oh. Alright, so I guess tomorrow. Alright, but that's all I got. I'm out.